Hello, my name is Carl Singleton. I'm a product marketing manager for Leica Geosystems, and this is our new robotic total station system known as iCON. There are a few components of the iCON system. This system here would be known as the rover or the pole setup. It's consisting of a few parts: the 360 prism, the pole itself, and then most importantly the tablet with the field software. The field software would then wirelessly connect to the robotic total station itself. It does this through long-range Bluetooth technology and the long-range Bluetooth handle. With that type of technology, we can get 1,200 feet of wireless connection. So the first thing we would need to do is connect this tablet to the robot itself, and I can do that through a profile setup. And as soon as the lights come on the handle here, we've made a connection. With that connection being made, I have full control of the robot now. And I can spin it around any way I need to. The next step would be to have the robot start tracking this 360 prism. So if I step away from the robot here for a second, I can tell the robot to spin around and look for this prism. It stops when it sees the correct prism signature, and the software tells me that it's been locked and found. At this point, the robot will follow me as I move the prism or move the whole pole setup. So if we create a new project in the iCON system, so we start with a blank project. I'll call it FND 2. So now we have a brand new project in the system, and our map here is 100% empty. There's nothing in it. If I zoom way out, there's nothing in it. Zoom back in. So one of the ways that we can take advantage of a simpler floor plan is to just start from scratch and sketch it out with the sketching application, which is what we're in right now. So let's say the first wall or first line in our sketch or our foundation is 40 feet. There's a 40-foot line segment now. If I hit the green check mark, it enters it into the system. This wheel is completely tappable. I can change it to any direction I need. In this case, I'll go 90 degrees to the right, and maybe this one's only 20 feet. And I hit green check and it enters it into the system. Now maybe I go down and over and back down, and then I'll use a toolbox function to close figure, and it snaps that line closed for me, tells me that it's 40 feet, green check mark, it's now entered in the system. So I know from this point I've got my foundation in, and I know in the field the surveyor has given me 2 points to start from, and those 2 points are an offset from this building line to the left at maybe 10 feet. So I can switch my function to offsets. I can select this line, I can tell it that it's 10 feet. It went 10 feet to the inside. That's okay. I have a mirror button. I can flip it to the outside, and I probably don't need to draw the line as we just are interested in the points, so I'll turn the line function off and green check mark those into the system. From here, we can take our robotic total station out to the site, set it up anywhere we like. We can then measure 7 and measure 8 to do an orientation on site. The robot then knows where it is, so we'll be able to lay out then our points 1 through 6 on the construction site. If you'd like to know more about this system, you can visit us at www.leicageosystems.us.